Good morning. It's 4:51. Time for a check of the markets. Dennis Smith, Archer Financial Services, joining us on Fridays. Good morning, Dennis.
Good morning, Mac.
Tell us where we're at this morning.
Okay, we've got March corn trading higher, 3 1/4 higher. Puts March corn at 388.5. Everything is up near their overnight session highs. The high there, 389.5. So 1 cent off the high. March beans up 5 1/4, 986.5. Also, again, within a penny of the high, overnight high, 987 1/4. In the wheat's having a nice move tonight, or early this morning, up 7 1/2, 534 3/4. That's right smack on the session high as we get ready for the early morning trade.
Yeah, if we can maintain these gains, this would make 3 out of the 5 trading days this week gone higher. What's going on here on this little short-term surge?
It seems like, Mick, it's sponsored by a kind of a fresh round of fund buying, and it's not easy to explain exactly why. Funds have a mixed position in the grains. They're net long corn, they're net long wheat, but they are pretty large net short in the soybean market. But we certainly believe it's been fund buying throughout the week that's kind of been sponsoring this move up. Whether it's short covering, new long positions being established, moving money out of crude oil, just moving money back into the markets, kind of a combination. One of the terms they like to use is a risk-on approach, where it's money that they've taken out of the markets in a general sense and now kind of putting some money back into commodities.
We hate it when managed money moves the markets lower, but we forgive them when they push it higher, huh?
Yeah, and that's exactly right. And I did publish a special report in soybeans this week. In fact, it comes out today indicating use the fund buying to help sell and or hedge soybeans. So we certainly like this type of a rally to come into the market to protect your old crop as well as new crop soybeans.
All right, Dennis, how do you think cattle futures are going to finish the week?
Well, probably mixed to lower. We're still waiting on more definition from the cash steer trade. It's been a pretty miserable week. Market's been working down into new recent lows. So generally speaking, we're going to probably try and start out a little higher, Mick, and then we'll see exactly how we finish. But mixed to lower, most likely.
All right, Dennis Smith of Archer Financial Services there in Chicago. Thanks so much for your keen insight. Have a great weekend.
Thank you. You too.
All righty. It's 4:54. Coming up next, a check of the forecast and a preview of what's coming up next on The Valley Today.